Hi guys, this is Shubham Warkad and I am from Mechanical Engineering Department, IIT Kharagpur, and this is my first DIY project. And in this project I made a chess piece, that is king. So to make this king I first selected XZ plane, and in that XZ plane I use this sketch feature and this polyline tool in to draw these lines, and to fix the lengths of this line I use this horizontal length constant, and this is vertical length constant. By fixing the lengths of this line, the overall geometrical figure would look perfect. It will be symmetric on both the sides. So now, to convert this 1D figure into a 3D model, I used this revolve feature. This is the revolve feature. So by using revolve feature, the figure would convert into this type of figure. Not exactly this, but the same figure, but excluding this part, this plus structure. So now to make the plus structure, I will select this plane, this round plane, and on that plane I will draw a square, a rectangle using this sketch feature. Then to convert this rectangle into a cuboid, I will use this pad feature. Then the cuboid is complete. So to extrude some parts of the cuboid, I will use this pocket option. Then this plus sign will come into existence. Then to give this plus structure a beautiful appearance, I will select these edges, this 1 and 2, and give them the shape like this. And then to give the overall figure a beautiful appearance, I will select the edges, round edges like this and this, the bottom one, and give them the shape like this. And here's is completed my project. Thank you.